Google recently released a new firmware for its Pixel earbud, and this introduces a lot of features. Out of these features, there are two features that are really cool and I really love. One is the attention alerts, and the other one is the shared detection. So, when we are wearing a earphone, we really love the isolation. We really love the loud music, but we don't want to hear the sound around us. We don't want to hear the noise around us. We only want to hear the content. At the same time, if there's anything important, like someone is ringing the doorbell, if there's any siren around your house, if your baby is crying, you want to be aware of those things. So at the same time, you need the isolation. You want to enjoy the content there. To solve this problem, Google introduced a new feature that's called as attention alerts. And this attention alerts is nothing but Google Pixel continuously monitors for the sound around you while you're listening to a video or listening to a music, watching a video. And if it detects a baby crying, it alerts you. It reduces the volume of your earphone and it plays a chime. So it gives you a warning that a baby is crying. So currently this is an experimental feature. It can detect a baby crying, or if there's a siren going off in a vehicle, or a dog is barking. However, it cannot detect any other sounds like someone knocking at the door, or if someone is ringing the doorbell, or any other sounds it cannot detect as of now. So only these three sounds are supported, and still this is in experimental stage. It's experimental feature, so there's no guarantee that it will work very well. We do not know the results as of now, but we also know that the same company, the Google, also owns Nest. So Nest cameras have a Nest Aware subscription, and Nest Aware subscription comes with a sound alert system. So if there's someone knocking at the door, if your pet is making any sound, those things can also be recorded, recognized by the Nest Aware. So definitely Nest Aware is going to have a huge database of all those sounds, and this being the same company, maybe in future more different sounds and alerts can also be introduced in the Pixel earbuds in the coming days. So as of now, only three types of sounds can be recognized, and it gives you the alert. That's how this functionality works. And what Google says is this sound detection works locally inside your phone and the Pixel earbud. It's not going to work on the cloud. No internet connection is required. All the sounds are not sent to the cloud. This is what Google says. So the second functionality that has been introduced in the feature in this firmware is the shared detection. Whenever we are sharing our earphones with our friends, we love listening to loud music, whereas our friend does not want loud music. So we don't have the ability to control the voice individually, the volume individually. So this shared mode allows you to control the voice of the left and the right earbuds individually. So to enable the shared mode, the Pixel bud automatically detects that it's not the same person wearing both the earphones. If I'm sharing a earbud with my friend, the Pixel earbud automatically knows that it's not the same person wearing the earbud, automatically activates the shared mode, which allows us to control the volumes individually. So we all know that all the earphones, the AirPods, all the earbuds, wireless earbuds have a proximity sensors inside of the earphone. So it detects if the earphone is being worn by someone or not. So it's the same proximity sensors that are used in our phone. So whenever we are talking on the phone, when we place the phone next to our ears, the screen automatically turns off. So it's because of a proximity sensor, IR based proximity sensor. It's the same sensor that is used in the earbuds. It's not just in this earbud, the Google AirPods have them. Almost all the brands have them. So this Google Pixel earbud also has a proximity sensor. It's called as in-ear detection. So whenever you're wearing it on the ears, it knows it's being worn or not. It knows that using these sensors. So it already has that functionality. So it makes use of that functionality to enable the shared detection mode. So whenever a person, if the same person is wearing the left as well as the right, it first checks if both the earphone is being worn. Once it confirms if someone is wearing that, second thing it continuously monitors is the movement. If it's the same person wearing the earphone, the movement of the left and the right earphone will be in synchronization because it's the same person wearing it. If it's another person wearing it, what happens is the in-ear detection will detect that the both the earphones are worn by someone. However, the movement of one earphone is out of sync with the movement of the other earphone. So whenever the Pixel earbud detects that both the earphones are not in synchronization, it automatically understands that it's not the same person wearing both the earphones and automatically turns on the shared mode, which allows us to adjust the volume individually by swiping front and backward. So when I change the volume of my earbud, it does not change the volume of my friends. So it gives individual control. And this functionality does not make use of any additional hardwares. It just utilizes the existing hardware, that is the accelerometer and the proximity sensor, and using the existing hardware without any additional hardware, it introduces a new feature. So I feel that this is a really cool functionality that Google has introduced, and I hope this video explains on how the shared detection mode works on the Pixel earbud. So I will be doing a lot of videos on the trending technology and how it works. So to get those updates, all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching the video.